Alright, so say you just did your service in your car and you need to reset the service interval thing that pops up on your dash, right? You'll want to turn the key to your first thing where you see it pop up. So at that point you want to hit the return button because you need to be on there, right? Then you have this call button, you see right there, and the OK button. You'll want to hit the call button and the OK button at the same time. And then you want to hold them. So when you do that, when you hold, this screen will pop up. Once the screen pops up, you want to scroll down to this menu right here and click OK. So let me get a little closer to this glare. You don't get the OK. That looks better. You want to go to full service, hit OK again. All the way down to configure full service, hit OK again. It'll say service carried out. Of course it is, or why would you even be here? So say yes. And then it's going to ask you, again, to make sure that you really did this, blah, 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 because it, thinks you need 100 freaking questions before it lets you do it. So just hit OK again on confirm. Once it's done, full service has been carried out, and it will erase that message off your dash, and you won't ever see it again till it's time to do the service the next go around. So that is how you reset your monitor. So I'd like to thank y'all for watching this little quick video. I hope this little tip helped you out in some way. And if it did, make sure you subscribe. Give me a comment. I always like hearing from y'all. And as always, have a nice day. Peace.